So while Jeff is trenching way over there, I'm putting in the bottom rails. So the bottom rails have this profile, and it's going to be sitting against the posts, and our insulation panels are going to slide in here. It's critical that this is level all the way along, so that our panels will go in evenly and nice and straight and plumb. Bottom ledge down. Underneath that ledge is going to be the insulation, and above that is going to be the polycarbonate sheets. So at this point I'm going to have to put some more beams across to support the rails that are going to hold the polycarbonate. So there's all different kinds of holders. There's holders like this, which I imagine will support and we also have supports like this. So I'm not sure which one to use. But I think these ones here I'm going to be using on the round poles because I won't be able to use those on a round pole. So we're going to start here on the square poles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to need 20 here. 22, 24. Going to need 24 of these. And on the round ones, we'll find out. We'll just use what we need to use for now. So I'm going to be putting in some of these. It's going to be fun. Got that one in, and I'm going to bolt. In case you never noticed, I only put one bolt in to hold them so that I can feed it in. I'm going to go put the bolts in the ones that are completed. If this gives you any trouble, you can loosen off any of the fasteners that you have to in order to line things up and get these two joints together. That's in. First thing you're going to want to do, put a screw in there. I'm putting a screw in the top of this joint so that it doesn't interfere with the polycarbonate that's going to be on the face.
Sorry about that.
That's all right.
One-handed. Alright, so yeah, dirt will come here, or here, will come tomorrow.
Nice. So we're going to do another beam across, another 40 inches up, and then you'll have support top, 2 places in the middle and at the bottom.
What'd you do? Just figured out that we got enough for tube racing divided by...
Yeah. I did all the linear footage, and I realized that we could do this in 2 locations. And I think that's going to be okay. It's like 38 inches between supports.
Okay.
And
they span across that area? Must be vertical.
Across that, these are 24-foot lengths. And they're locked into each other.
Oh, you cut that.
I cut that one.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Yeah. So, but they're locked into each other.
Yeah.
So that's
Oh yeah.
Gonna,
Okay.
it's all going to go good. I don't think it's going to give us a problem at all. Yeah. So tomorrow,